Hi, and welcome back to Fagers Island. We've been talking a lot about fall recently and have made some fantastic cocktails for the season. But man, I'm already missing summer. I just wish there was a way that we could have summer all the time. Well, now that it looks like summer, we need it to taste like summer as well. And we have the perfect cocktail for that, Fagers Island Endless Summer. To make the Fagers Island Endless Summer, we need Ketel One Botanicals, Grapefruit Rose, and Dolin Blanc Vermouth. Most of you are familiar with sweet and dry vermouth. Blanc Vermouth is in between, being both sweet and dry, and it goes really well with flavorful, clear spirits like the vodka in this cocktail. We also need rose-infused simple syrup and lemon juice. Let's get started. Alright, to make our Endless Summer, we need 2 ounces of the Ketel One Botanicals, 2 ounces of Dolin Blanc Vermouth, 1/2 ounce of lemon juice, and 1/2 ounce of rose simple syrup. I'm going to give that a quick stir. And strain into a chilled martini glass. Garnish it with a grapefruit peel and 3 dried rose buds. And there you have it, a drink that'll make you think it's summer all the time, the Endless Summer. Enjoy!